last December, so it's been out almost a year, which is insane to think about. It's called Everything But What You Need. It's back there if you guys want to pick it up. Cool. I've only got about 15 more copies, and I'm not going to make any more. So yeah, it's $8 if you want it. It's 10 songs. If you don't want it, you can steal it off the internet. I'm sure it's there somewhere. It's on Spotify, all that good stuff. But I have some exciting news about that record that I can't tell you yet. But hopefully at the end of this month. So if you like what you hear, follow me on Facebook or Twitter or whatever you guys do on the internet, and you'll find out about it. But for now, the song's called Time Furnace, and it goes out to my new friend over here.
Train tracks, I want that day back. You said God wasn't in the sky, and there was nothing I could do or say to change your mind. But I didn't want to change it, but I didn't want to change, but I didn't want to change it, but I didn't want to change. Cause you're a tiny furnace, and I'm the coal you're burning. Can't you see I can't douse the flame? This could never be the same. Cause you're a tiny furnace, and I'm the coal you're burning. Can't you see I can't douse the flame? But you can play at that game. Blonde hair on the bed was the same one your mother caught me in. Those stars stuck to your ceiling seemed so out of reach, but I let them keep me up while you were fast asleep. And I know I panicked, and I'm sorry. Oh, I know I panicked, and I'm sorry. Oh, I know I panicked, and I'm sorry. Oh, I know I panicked, and I'm sorry. 'Cause you're a tiny furnace, and I'm currently burning. Can't you I said, you're a tiny furnace, and I'm the coal you're burning.
Thanks. Just cruising through these, huh? So, yeah, that song is called Tiny Furnace. It's Tiny Curtis. You guys know any Curtises?